This is God's judgment in the earth. Sin. People are not taking care of things, and just acts of injustice. Not taking care of things, and white people destroying stuff and not caring about things. Look at this blood overflowing, and this bridge overflowing. I can't even get across to go out and take a hike. That's a shame. It's a shame. Look at this muddy water. Look at the muddy water. It's overflowing. Now I'm about to get off this bridge before I sink inside this water, because it's overflowing. It's coming up. So I see it coming up. Look at it. Okay. Alright, City of Ypsilanti, Ann Arbor, Washington County, you need to deal with this bridge. You need to deal with this place and fix it, because look at it. It's just being destroyed. This is a beautiful park, but it's being destroyed. Okay, I'm over at Parker Mill. Alright, bye-bye.